What's going on, guys? Authentic J's back again with another video. Now, I know this is a short video, but real quick, I want to do a huge shout out to these people. Thank you to Massive Man 20. He showed me nothing but love, and I just want to show some love back. He posted a comment on my Reddit post for my Murakami custom, and he made my day when I read that. And a huge thank you to Ami Leon. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering that. I don't think it's Amy because there's an H, so I'm gonna stick with Ami. But thank you so much for showing me support. Not only did she comment on my Reddit post, she also went out of her way to comment on my YouTube video. So thank you so much for that. And last but not least, thank you so much to Blue Applehead. I know you've been commenting on my videos, and I just wanted to show you some recognition. And that is it for the shout outs. I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding this in every video because I don't think I have enough comments to do that, but just know that I am reading every comment that you guys post, and it does make my day when I read comments like these. And at the end of the day, this is the reason why I make this second video, so I can interact with you guys, so I can respond to you guys, give shout out, and you know, give tips and tricks throughout the video that I can't when I'm not talking. So feel free to leave comments. I will get back to you, and I will make it a priority to answer your question and give you a shout out. So don't be afraid, I got you. That's enough talking now. Let's get back to the video. So what I did different in this video is I kind of took out the part where I'm doing a lot of the rubbing and the tapping and, you know, the intentional ASMR sounds. The reason I did it is because it seems like a lot of people are just kind of skipping to the actual painting of the video. So I just kind of wanted to save some people time. But if you guys did enjoy those intentional ASMR sounds, make sure to comment down below. If enough people do want to continue seeing that, then I'll make sure to add it again. But for now, I'm just going to keep it this format. And also, if you do like this format, don't forget to mention it down below so I know. That way I can continue making improvements and just kind of see the feedback. And now we're on the step where we acetone. Don't forget to wear gloves. Acetone on skin is very bad. The reason why we acetone is because there's usually like a finish on a shoe, and we want to remove that finish so the paint adheres easier. It's kind of hard to see where you acetone on an all white shoe. So what I like to do is I like to separate it into segments. So when I'm done with one part, I can just move on to the other, and I know that I hit it. Now, when painting this shoe, I was very experimental with my blue. This is the original blue on the Murakami design. And as you can see, it's a lot lighter than the blue that I chose. And there's nothing wrong with that because at the end of the day, this is your custom shoe. If you want a blue that's a little darker, go ahead, do what you gotta do, because when I was creating this shoe, I saw the light blue and I'm like, nah, I wanna wear these shoes. I can't wear them if they're this bright. And the same thing goes for the yellow. I know I mentioned this in my last video, but it is very important to kind of do a rough draft before you do your whole shoe, like this one. And in my rough draft, I did pick the Murakami blue. I kind of saw what it would look like, and I thought it'd be cool at the time to kind of match it 100%. But when it came down to it and I was making the paint, I saw this blue and man, I thought it was perfect just the way it was. And that's what I encourage you guys to do. Don't follow my video 100%. If you like a blue that's darker or brighter, go ahead, do what you want. This is your shoe, this is your canvas. Now, one thing I would like to mention about the Air Maxes, especially compared to the Air Force, you notice that there are a lot of smaller panels and a lot of tighter edges. Make sure to take your time. And I know there are times where you're gonna feel like you're kind of in autopilot and you're just painting. I highly recommend that you always move your shoe around so you can get the best angle. Make sure that you are making the job a lot easier for you than trying to get those hard corners in an awkward angle. That'll just mess you up. And as you can see, I am using a vinyl stencil. If you don't have access to a vinyl stencil, you can obviously use the masking tape method that I showed on my Vans video. I'll put the link in the video and in the description below, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish off the shoe with these small details. At the end, I like to spray it off with a matte finish. If you guys prefer this glossy satin look, then by all means go ahead. But personally, I prefer the matte, dull finish. And that basically wraps up this shoe. And here is a quick review. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested, check out my other videos. But until next time, peace!